kids. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Art Factory for Kids channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Hello Kitty with a heart. It's easy to draw Hello Kitty. Please, try to draw with me and make your own beautiful drawing. Let's get started. At first, I'll draw Hello Kitty's head like this. Now, I'm drawing her body. She has a big heart in her arms. Now, I use these black marker to make the drawing more visible. Let's start to color and have some fun. I'll use pink color, and purple, yellow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, at the end, I'll draw some beautiful heart. It looks so sweet. I love it! See you in the next video.